Hi, my name is Chad Mellen and I'm the founder of Knack. A lot of people ask me, what's the story behind Knack? How did it start? The story of Knack started in 2015 on a trip that I took to Costa Rica. I was meeting some friends there for a long weekend, and I remember that I had work things that I had to get done over this long weekend, so I brought my work backpack that had a laptop in it and my computer and batteries and chargers, as well as a duffel that could fit 3 days worth of clothes. The frustrating thing for me as I left on the trip was neither one of those two bags was full. And I thought I really should be able to do this with one bag. And when I landed in the San Jose airport, I remember so clearly walking around with those two bags, my phone in one hand with a translator app because I don't speak a word of Spanish, and a cup of coffee in another hand. I look like a nightmare and I'm hating my experience at that point in time. It's just terrible. And I remember really clearly, I said, when I get back to the United States, I'm going to go and buy a bag, one bag, that allows me to carry my business things as well as my travel things. Now, when I got back to the United States, I started to look for that bag, and I couldn't find it anywhere. And then, as I looked at the streets in New York and in Boston, where I was spending most of my time, I found that there were a lot of other people like me carrying multiple bags. I saw folks carrying their work bag and their gym bag. I saw folks carrying a work bag and a travel bag or a wheeled bag. I saw new parents carrying work bags and diaper bags. Just many, many cases of people carrying two bags when I thought one bag should do. And it was at that point in time when I said, I think there's an opportunity here. I reached out to a number of people who I've worked with throughout my career, and we all started to really brainstorm about how we could solve this problem of multiple bags. We started designing in 2016. We found a partner to manufacture in 2017. And we made our first prototype at the end of 2017. October of 2018, when we finally were comfortable enough to bring Knack to the public, and we sold our first bag on knapbags.com. Since that time period, we've been lucky enough to sell thousands of bags to Knack packers across the world, and that's the story of our journey. And I want to thank everyone for making Knack part of your journey too, as well as thank you for all the thoughts, comments, and suggestions you've sent to us over the past year. It's really helped make our product better for you.